You want to learn how to cook authentic Jamaican oxtail? This is a step-by-step video for you. Watch to the end. In this bowl, I have 3 pounds of oxtail. Just need to wash it with lime and vinegar. Now that the oxtail washed, I'm going to season it up. 2 tablespoons all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon pimento berries, 2 tablespoons blend green seasoning, 1 small onion chop, 2 stalk scallions chop, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, half of a medium sweet pepper chop. So 3 tablespoons Spur 3 oxtail seasoning, 1 tablespoon Spur 3 browning. Now I'm going to rub in all the seasoning. 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, add thyme, fresh ginger, add garlic. Now add the oxtail. Now I'm going to cover the pot, make it steam cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to come and stir it up. It is already 15 minutes. I'm going to stir it up. I'm going to cover it up for another 15 minutes before I add the water. So the oxtail been cooking for 30 minutes now without me add no water. So now I'm going to add the water to it. So soon as this water dry up, I'm going to add 1 more cup until the oxtail finish cooked. So I'm going to make it cook for 2 hours. A total of 2.5 hours it should take to cook. No longer than 2.5 hours. So the oxtail cook. It's been cooking for 2 hours and 15 minutes. See, falling off the bones. Now I'm going to add a piece of fresh thyme, a little bit all-purpose seasoning. Now I'm going to add the butter beans. Now I'm going to make it cook for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the oxtail is ready to serve. Authentic Jamaican oxtail, falling off the bones. So here I have it, authentic Jamaican oxtail, served with some macaroni salad. Here I have some gungo rice and peas and some ripe plantain. Look at this. Nice and tasty. So good.